This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping only what matters: a clean, dry edge and the tape in hand. Clean grime with a damp cloth and let it dry. This gives the adhesive something to bite. Measure the strip you need, tear or cut it, then lay the tape along the edge with a slight overlap. Press down firmly using a plastic card or your thumb to seal the adhesive. This prevents bleed and ensures a crisp line once paint goes on. Once the tape is sealed, take a moment to lock it in. You can run a thin coat of base color or clear caulk along the tape to fill tiny gaps. This is why you get a sharper edge. When painting, load less paint on the brush and stroke away from the tape, not into it, to reduce seepage. Apply 2 thin coats, allowing drying time between them so the finish looks uniform and you avoid drips that push under the tape. You finish by timing the pull. Remove the tape at a 45 degrees angle when paint is dry to the touch, but still slightly tacky for the cleanest edge. If paint lifts, stop and score along the tape line with a utility knife to separate layers before continuing. And if you see bleed marks, lightly sand the edge and touch up with a fine brush. This small fix preserves your crisp line without repainting the entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.